Welcome back, everyone. It's Ananto here, and today we're doing something a little different. Usually, I share my experiences with full self-driving on my YouTube channel, but I get a lot of questions about how I edit my videos. People seem to love the layout and always ask how I do it. So, I thought, why not break it all down and share my editing workflow? And yes, here's a little secret. I use CapCut. I know. Some people might be surprised, but trust me, it's a powerful tool. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through my entire process. Let's start with the footage. I use 4 different cameras for my videos. The Insta360 camera captures everything in a full 360-degree view. The Insta360 Ace Pro gets my inside-the-car shots. My iPhone records me directly, and my Google Pixel tablet captures the Tesla display with all the graphics. Once I have all my footage, I bring it into CapCut and start organizing. Syncing everything is the first step. I always clap 3 times at the beginning of my recording to help line up the audio and video. CapCut has an auto-sync feature, but I still like to double-check by matching the waveform of the claps. Once the clips are synced, I mute the extra audio tracks and keep the best one, which is usually from my iPhone. Arranging the footage comes next. I layer the clips so that my facecam is smaller, the Tesla display is clear, and the main footage is easy to follow. I use CapCut's masking tool to shape and position everything, making sure each element fits perfectly. Rounded corners give it a polished look. And once I get the first layout right, I copy and paste those settings to keep everything consistent. Masking is one of the most important steps, especially when I want to keep the Tesla speedometer and navigation visible. CapCut recently added a pen tool, but I find it a bit buggy, so I stick with rectangular masks. Once everything is in place, I feather the edges to make the transition smooth. Audio is just as important as the visuals. I use CapCut's voice isolation to separate my narration from the background noise. I also layer in some Tesla-specific sounds, like the turn signals or FSD engagement chimes, to make the experience more immersive. The key is to balance the sound so my voice is clear, while keeping just enough background noise to maintain the atmosphere. Transitions and effects help keep the video engaging. I use CapCut's built-in transitions, like the pull-out effect, to switch between my inside and outside camera views. To make it even smoother, I sync these transitions with sound effects, adding an extra layer of polish. CapCut's voice enhancements also help, making my voice sound fuller. I especially like the full voice feature because it makes my narration sound richer and less thin. Finally, rendering. This is where CapCut really stands out. With multiple 4K layers, other software, like Premiere Pro and After Effects, can take hours to render. But CapCut, it does it in just a couple of minutes. That's a game changer, especially when I need to edit and upload videos quickly. And that's pretty much my entire workflow. If you've ever wondered how I create my videos, now you know. Hopefully, this gives you a better idea of what goes into my editing process. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. It's free, and it really helps. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one. To watch the video version of this podcast, please go to www.youtube.com/01ananto. It's www.youtube.com/01ananto.